Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're back, welcome back. Before we get started into this video series, if you can, please give me that thumbs up, the like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. I am doing a series for the Stock Martin viewer choice of the stock reviews, and this is a video we'll be talking about Palantir. So Palantir, I think, is a great company, and I hope you enjoy this video. So Palantir is actually one of my favorite stocks out there. I do think that it has huge potential into the future, but right now it does look like it is quite pricey. It does have a high valuation on this company. That could change in the near future if Palantir does get more contracts out there. But let's take a look at this. The title of this article is "Here's How Palantir's Stock Can Rally 20% from the Current Levels." It has plenty of promise, but the valuation presents a big risk right now. So looking at this stock, now Palantir is in the the technology software company. And what it does, it pretty much looks at solutions for companies out there. It does have a big influence, and it does have a big contract with the government with intelligence. And also it's in a lot of spaces. If we look at a closer look of Palantir stock, the good news is it is a very solid and steady growth company. It is also very profitable. The bad news is that this stock isn't cheap. So this stock is overvalued, and we will see what the analysts think about this and where this stock can go. Well, Palantir as a company is a very good, solid company. It does have steady growth. It is solid as a company. Where the problem is its high valuation. So whenever we look at the valuation and compare it to its revenue looking forward, I'll definitely show you what I mean here, but it is decreasing throughout the years to come. So let me just show you real quick. But it looks like the Palantir is forecasting to make about 1.5 billion sales this year, which is increasing every year. So next year, in the year 2022, we'll be making 2 billion, and then in 2023, 2.5 billion. So this is a great increase and a great revenue. And its growth rate also looks pretty good, but it looks like it is kind of tapering off, which means that through the years, the longer that we go, the growth is starting to kind of slow down. So as we can see this year, we will have a growth and a growth revenue of about 47%. And then 37% this year, and it looks like 28 to 29% in the next 2 years. So it does look like we have that growth, but we are starting to have a declining growth. And so this is big to watch out for. But here's the big part. Here's the big thing that this stock is not doing good. It has a market capitalization of $51 billion. So if we compare the valuation of the company and compare it to the sales, this is about 34 times the sales this year, 26.5 sales next year, and 20 times the sales in the year 2023. So we need to get, this company does need to get more revenue out there. They need to get more contracts. So pretty much the only thing that will make this company be valued so much is that they have bigger earnings. So what Palantir needs to do is get more contracts out there. If they can accomplish this, and if they can get a lot more contracts out there, that will show more revenue, which will then definitely increase and improve these revenue to sales ratios. We will have a nice increase in this stock. So this is a little bit tricky because it all depends on this company. As a company itself, as a technology software company, this company is good and is good in the future. So, but it is, the stock price is quite high right now. And let's take a look at that. I did want to just transition this and did look at their stock price. So if we look at Palantir's stock price, it did end the day at $28.71. But in the past 5 days, we have had a nice increase in this stock, but it is going quite higher. Now, is it valued at this stock price? You'll see in the next few slides. But right now, in the past 5 days, we did start off on Monday at $25, and we did have a nice increase of 10% increase in the stock over the 5 days. In the past month, we are up 18.8%. So we're doing very good on this stock. And it is increasing over the month. Now, in the past 6 months, again, we are up 18% in this stock. We did test some bottoms here at $20 on this stock, But again, it looks like that we are on an upward movement. We did have a resistance at $27.38, but look, we have now broke that resistance and we will be testing a new base, a new consolidation in this stock. But if we go back in the past 1 year, we are up 202% on this stock. Now, whenever we look at the analysis on this, we'll definitely take a look at this. So Palantir's ticker is PLTR. It is, like I mentioned, trading at $28.71 right now. Overall, when you compare it to all the fundamentals and all the other stocks out there, it actually is overvalued. It's actually less than what it should be right now. Now, the rank in the technology and the software industry is about average for this stock, but let's look at the fundamentals. Remember, I told you that they're not bringing in that revenue that they should be, and this is where it gets really big hit. So this is what I was talking about. It's overpriced in the sense that they are not getting enough revenue, and its company's growth does not match what the company has. Now, its technicals in the past few days, it has been a little bit below average when you do compare it to other companies in the past 20 days of trading. When you do compare it to other companies in this sector, it is below average. But then look at long term. Remember that long term in the past few months, I did show you that this stock over the past 1 year is up over 200%. Well, this is why. This is really good because it is very high. Now, when we look at the analysts out there, they do give it an overvaluation, and they do think that this stock is overvalued and should have a hold recommendation. Now, looking at the price forecast over the next 12 months, the analysts out there review this stock, and they say that the stock has a low valuation of $15, which will drop your money if you buy right now at 47%. Its high is $31, which is about an 8% increase from now. But if you average these two together, it is about $23.50. So we definitely have to watch this. Now, will this company do great and continue to do great? I think it will, as you can see that this stock is doing quite well. But what we do have to watch out for is, does the stock price match what this company is capable of doing? And I would like to see Palantir get some more contracts out there so that they can show more revenue and increase that, because their market capitalization, it is quite large for what this company is producing in its revenue. Lastly, I would like to review the tip ranks forecast on this. We do have 6 analysts that review Palantir, the ticker PLTR. All 6 of these analysts give it a moderate sell. 1 does give it a buy, 2 a hold, 3 a sell. This gives us an average price target of $24, which is about a 16% downside from here. If we look at all these analysts, the highest price target is $31. That's the one analyst that says to buy. But the majority of the analysts are saying to sell. The lowest price target, according to tip ranks, is $17 in this stock. This does give us our average of $24 in this stock over the next 12 months. So please do your own due diligence before purchasing this or any other stock. But it looks like, looking at its fundamentals, this stock is overvalued. The last time it was valued at $18 was back on May 13th, when a lot of the stocks crashed and a lot of the stocks were on its lows. But ever since then, we did have that big increase in this stock. It looks like we are testing another resistance and beating that. So we will see where the consolidation is. I do have a feeling that retail investors out there do like this stock, and you can see that they are purchasing it. Well, I hope you like this video on Palantir. If you can, please give me that thumbs up, the like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. I'd greatly appreciate it. If we can also share this with others so that we can grow this channel. If you can share it with your family, your friends, your coworkers, that next door neighbor, I'd greatly appreciate it. But thank you so much, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you. Down below, if you would like to help out the channel, I put 2 links. One's for Webull. If you open an account, deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. If you deposit $100 into Coinbase, you get $10 of cryptocurrency and trading. Thank you for supporting the channel.